Now let's talk energy. Kenya earned 3.6 billion Kenyan shillings from crude oil sales under the Turkana early oil pilot scheme, as revealed in a recent report cited by Energy CS Opio Andai. The scheme that was completed around 2020 involved exporting oil tracked from Turkana fields to test the global market demand, pricing and logistics. However, costs exceeded revenues, with expenses around 8.1 billion Kenyan shillings for drilling, storage and transport, resulting in a net loss estimated at 4.5 billion Kenyan shillings. Now, while the project successfully proved that Kenya's crude can compete in the world stage, the massive costs of logistics and storage simply overwhelmed the revenue. As the government pivots towards commercial production in December 2026, the Turkana oil pilot scheme stands as a costly but vital proof of concept for Kenya's energy future. Of course, that deficit is classified as recoverable exploration expenditure. But that story right there does it for Business at 1. My name is Kelly Boss, but Aseto is on standby to update you on matters sports.